What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James with 50k subs, and in this video I proudly introduce you my 50,000 subscriber graphics pack. Guys, we finally made it, okay? You do not know how crazy this is to me. 50,000 subscribers. Quickly before I get started with the video, I would just like to thank every single one of you, okay, from the bottom of my heart. I never thought I would reach a milestone like this, and without you guys it wouldn't be possible. As you can see, I'm very happy. I'm also very tired because I basically haven't slept. But anyways, the 50k pack, I'm sure that's why you're all here. Over on my Twitter, I've been hyping up this graphics pack for around about a week or so. Twitter is at VisualJDaniels, by the way. But anyways, I'm so excited for you guys to check out this pack. As I said, I've worked so hard on it. Also, for the past week or so, I've had the chance to actually use the pack for all of my client work, and it's honestly crazy how useful it is. And since my last graphics pack came out over a year ago now, the contents in this new one are so up to date and original. But VisualArts, we want to see what's inside the pack. Don't you worry, okay? In a second, I will be providing a quick showcase of the graphics pack. Of course, it's going to be sped up because there's so much stuff inside, alright? If I just showed you it one by one and explained it, it would probably take all day. But hopefully that will give you an idea as to what's actually in the pack before you do go ahead and purchase it. If you're eager to get the pack now, of course you can do so. It will be over on my design store, and I will leave that at the top link in the description. Oh, and I need to mention the pack does have a very small cost. Of course, this is purely because of the time that it took to make, and as well as that, the resources that I've included inside the pack. However, it's very affordable at only £9.99, which of course is cheaper if you live in the US as well. As I said though, for the resources inside, that is honestly a bargain. Also, it's a great little investment because you will make way more money than that simply by designing using the pack. I do understand though, not everybody will actually be able to purchase it, and because of this, I have made my old 20k graphics pack completely free to download. The only downside is that it is fairly outdated. However, if you're looking for a free option, it's honestly not that bad, so I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. But anyways, back to the 50k pack. I'm sure you all want to see me run through the content, so I will be showcasing that to you now. Hopefully you enjoy the pack. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.
So distant when you're home, always hanging by your phone. Do I even know you? And I get paranoid sometimes, 'cause I know that you remind.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm slightly rushed here because I started the stream, I was about 18 away, and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect. Madness. Absolute madness. Jeez. 50k, boys. To be fair, alright. Who did that then?